The absolute crown jewel of this silent execution is the unexpected, early arrival of the completely reimagined DJI Mini 6 Pro. This is the hardware that the supply chain insisted was years down the roadmap. Tech insiders were repeatedly told that the manufacturing yields for high-density, sub-250-gram logic boards were too complex, that omnidirectional obstacle sensor arrays couldn't be miniaturized any further without violating weight laws, and that previous generations would have to hold the line for the foreseeable future. It was all a brilliant smokescreen designed to catch rivals asleep at the wheel. The production lines weren't delayed. They were busy perfecting a machine architecture that introduces a level of flight fidelity that defies standard industry metrics. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Mini 6 Pro isn't just an upgrade. It is a total reinvention of what an ultra-compact aircraft can be. For the first time in aviation history, an affordable pocket-sized drone successfully shrinks its structural footprint while expanding its structural wind resistance and computational brain to challenge massive, heavy industrial platforms. A premium miniature drone is absolutely nothing without a revolutionary camera engine, and this is where engineering dominance has been weaponized to completely hijack the high-end creative market. The Mini 6 Pro is powered by a terrifying, unannounced arrival of a custom-engineered dual-stacked sensor architecture. This camera system isn't just an evolutionary upgrade. It is a total reinvention of what miniature glass and silicon can achieve in a camera housing this tight. For the first time in the sub-250-gram category, a true native large-format dual ISO sensor has been integrated into a 3-axis mechanized gimbal. Bypassing the low-light limitations, muddy details, and dynamic range bottlenecks that plague traditional small sensor drones, this camera packs an astronomical, unprecedented pixel density into a microscopic structural layout. The sensor architecture operates on completely different laws of light physics compared to traditional pocket drones. We are talking about an optical system that processes visual data at speeds that allow for uncompressed, native high frame rate capture that doesn't just look cinematic, it looks lifelike. The data bandwidth on this internal processing core is so massive that it treats heavy, complex color grading profiles, massive high bitrate data streams, and real-time electronic image stabilization not as a heavy lifting task, but as a basic background operation. The true genius lies in how this imaging system handles color depth and low-light performance inside the impossibly small camera housing of the new Mini 6 Pro. In a traditional Pro drone setup, you need a separate, heavy camera body and a massive, power-hungry aircraft to lift it into the sky, which generates immense noise, draws hundreds of watts of power, and requires strict licensing regulations to fly in populated areas. The Mini 6 Pro eliminates that entire regulatory and physical barrier. It features a completely overhauled, hyper-wide dual-aperture mechanical lens array that allows the optical sensor to adapt instantaneously to shifting lighting conditions, from blinding midday sun to pitch-black midnight landscapes. The digital noise is practically zero. When you look at early internal footage leaking from cinematic production houses and high-end testing labs, the results are terrifying. This miniature aircraft, this sleek, beautifully small piece of matte-finished engineering that fits elegantly in your jacket pocket, is delivering dynamic range transitions, shadow detail preservation, and highlights that rival massive Hollywood cinema rigs. The internal chip architecture achieves this visual performance in complete silence, processing color-accurate profiles natively on the device without dropping a single frame. It is a level of optical efficiency that